I want to have the very best lifted van channel like no one ever was. I'm gonna eat some Taco Bell now. Happy New Year and happy Sunday. 2025 is already starting off really strong. I want to take this time to welcome new subscribers who's getting their van lifted this year and who's going to Wasatch Overland in Utah. Wasatch Overland is now installing action van suspension lift kits, and the pricing is up. Performance lift just under $4,000, ultimate lift just under $5,000. And look who's featured on their channel. Sebastian's Life 91. He went to Wasatch to get a high roof, and they liked his action van lift so much, now they're going to install it. So shout out to Sebastian. What a great year 2025 is going to be. 2024 was crazy with you guys getting lift kits. I think 2025 might be even better than 2024. Sebastian's Life 91. Action van suspension. I wanted Sebastian to do the announcement that Wasatch is now installing action van lifts, but he wanted me to make the video. So I made the video. It got 490 views, but the most important thing is it got +4 subscribers. So I hope those +4 subscribers head to Wasatch and get their van lifted. Let me know in the comment section if you're headed to Wasatch for a lift kit. This is Light Bar and Ladder Ryan. He has the action van suspension ultimate lift on this tubed radius arm with the Heim joint. This is year 13 of my channel, and last month I got 17,000 views from YouTube recommendations. If I could get the number up to 100,000, that's going to be life-changing for me. I'm going to keep trying hard, and I want to take this time to thank you guys. I wouldn't be here without you guys. You guys giving me thumbs ups, leaving me comments. I'm actually finally making progress on this channel, like bigger progress than previous years. January is the slowest month when it comes to making money on YouTube. And when you look at January 1st, I only made $4.36. And then the next day, I made $13.84. So I'm saying, what happened there? How did I make $13.84 on the 2nd? And then on the 3rd, I'm back down to $6.87. I'm going to show you guys what happened. See this right here? Affiliate program. I've been in this program for about 6 months now. Never announced it. I'm just a part of it. I never want to push anything on you guys, but I'm going to show you guys what I could do with my channel now. It's pretty cool that I reached this level on YouTube. My girlfriend Brooke really loves her coffee, and she wanted one of these fire maples. Let me show you what it is. It's a miniature stove. Show you a demo right now. This is really cool. I like it a lot. I want to go camping just so I could use this. There you go. So check this out. So whenever I do videos, I could look up if any of these products are in the affiliate program. So this one is, so you'll see it in this corner somewhere or in the description. So like I said, I don't push anything on you guys, but if you guys happen to buy anything off my affiliate links, I get paid for it. And that's really humbling that this channel got to that level. So I could put this in there or my buddy heater. Let me go ahead and do a demo of the buddy heater while I'm here. Let me know in the comments section who's still running a heater buddy. Is it buddy heater or heater buddy? Anyway, I got some propane hooked up to it. You put it in pilot, click it a couple times. There you go, there's the flame. And then you choose your setting, low or high. There you go. And then high. Right there. Heater buddy heater. So I'm able to put this in the affiliate link also. Whoever it is that bought anything off my affiliate links, thank you. No Patreon links on my channel, no memberships, no OF. You guys supporting my channel is all the help I need. Thumbs ups, comments, that's all the help I need, and I'll take it from there. I'm about to work on a gaming in your van video after I film this one. Needs a lift kit, call Larry at Action Van Suspension. Needs a lift kit, call Boulder Off-Road. I got 2 funny messages on Instagram. One guy said, I'm going to Action Van Suspension and get my suspension checked over, refreshed. I'm not there for a lift kit, but you say so many nice things about them, I'm gonna go to them. He sends me a picture and his van's lifted, and I said, thought you're not getting a lift kit, man, what happened? And he said, yeah, I feel like I got peer pressured from your videos, and I don't want you driving by my van and saying needs a lift kit. Another one, I got a message, and one of you shared your van to me, and you said if you saw my van you would say needs a lift kit. He ended up going with Action Van also. You know what happened? All these years I've been saying needs a lift kit. Karma finally caught me. Needs a lift kit, call Van Compass. Needs a lift kit, call Off Highway Van. Call Journeys Off-Road. Needs a lift kit. Who's gonna build a lift kit for these Dodges? They look good. Needs a lift kit. Who lifts envies? I'm feeling peer pressure to get a tall roof. You know what I feel like I need now? A high roof. So Slick Rick rolled into the meet with the high roof. That's Larry right there. And we got Slick Rick, another Action Van. Oh, it's all Action Vans right now. I got the Well-Tech in the back. Slick Rick. And then Sebastian wanted a high roof. He got a high roof. Now I feel like I need a high roof. If I get a high roof, I'm rolling with Wasatch because they partnered up with my good friend Larry at Action Van Suspension. I want to support my friends, people who help my friends. I want to support them. So high roof would be nice, but you know what? It would be nice to walk in here without crouching over, easy to dress up. Me and Brooke won't run into each other in the morning when we're sleeping in the van. But the one thing I'm looking forward to the most, more than actually standing up, is the extra storage I'm gonna get. I like how this section stays like over the driver's compartment. This roof stays, you don't cut this out, you cut here at this line, and then this stays, so when the roof is raised, you could put all your storage above the driver's area. So me and Brooke, if we put all our bags in this area, no more clutter. See, the van is clutter free right now because there's no bags in here. But yeah, when me and Brooke go camping, man, it's cluttered in here when we camp, road trip. So yeah, I'm getting close to making a decision if I'm gonna get a high roof, man. It's getting tempting. I do like the looks of a normal roof van more than a high roof van, but it's like a trade-off. How much more convenient things are gonna be. With a high roof, this van's gonna be a mini RV. So yeah, I'm getting close to like really wanting a high roof now. And like I said, mainly for the storage, being able to put all our bags right in this section and nothing's in here. That right there is worth it to me already. All right, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great 2025 so far. Lifted Van Meet, March 1st, Hungry Valley. I'll make another video about that next week. It's less than 2 months away. And as always, you don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even need to have a van to join us. Needs a lift kit, call Larry. All right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Retro gaming video. I'm gonna work on that now.